Picture the Milky Way, our galaxy. What do you imagine? I'm guessing stars, some spiral arms, maybe some dust lanes. What you probably weren't picturing is this. But this is a real image of our galaxy. This is from the Meerkat telescope, and it is looking at the radio waves that are being emitted by the Milky Way. Being in radio means that this is false color, right? Our eyes can't see radio wavelengths, so we have to give them colors that we can see. In this case, the color is based on the intensity of light. The orange-red regions are the brightest, and the grayscale is dimmer. If you wanted to, you could color it differently, like this, which is the most painting-looking image of space I have ever seen. Again, the color is based on brightness, they just used a different color map to do this. And as it turns out, when you look in radio, there is a lot of interesting stuff to see that you can't see in other wavelengths. This really bright region here, that's the center of the Milky Way where the supermassive black hole lives. Radio observations were actually how the supermassive black hole was first discovered. As early as the 1930s, astronomers realized there was something emitting a lot of radio in the center of our galaxy. And later observations showed that in the midst of all of this radio emission was a supermassive black hole. There's also these bubbles that you see scattered around this image. Those are supernova remnants, and this bright thing over here is a pulsar, a rapidly spinning neutron star that might be associated with this supernova. And then there's all of these lines. You see them everywhere in here, and they're kind of a mystery. This light is generated by really fast particles moving in magnetic fields, but we don't know where the particles or the magnetic fields are coming from. But we see these filaments all over the place in the galactic center. This is such a great example of how different the universe looks when you look at different wavelengths of light. Plus, it demonstrates just how beautiful data can be. Look at that!